Lenge Khamsang, Thering King Yendu Sega Pepper the Yelling Samuel Gassishi year, Thering and beginner to intermediate English grammar course ki lopsing up at the chat the year, lopsing up at the Gansu Karikoli Shupaina adverb Gigali, Kissing to Gansiam de la Lopsin di course di Janga go to Tower Dojim by net Thering Lopsin the Lingus la Pento Bushu Chunguring and some good do, Kissing it on the channel or Tema Tambo Pecho Chaytuna, Khamsang Yiming like Kisum see you, and to Dunda Tapa Peget on the Angel Giant, Yendu Sum the Yere, Yimpinia, did the dining unto Yinto Ni Ran Tang Doshi, Dudala Yinu Sum the Ditos Mount Yodoji Kajan and something on Tugi, grammar ki course strong Majango, Rochester, the Taleni, Dudala course Temani, Loptin Temani, Madling Marilyn Shui, Satawa, the Purbuchi, the Chegat or Langaran to channel to Lire, then get to Giki Pegation Yobatam, Peget on the Injan de Paina, Inching on the channel to subscribe Narona, Yendu Legi to Judita, Satawa, Dam Purbu, Chiruchanga, the Chegatola Chadi, Sapemba Gini modeling into Meodoji, Lasota, Motimambo. Tony Taringi lopsing on Madita Kotsuki. Lasulingeta Tambong and Suki adverbs, Tikurang Lata or Chimbaina and Suki Karicha dear Shupaina, Dita Gensi Yimbatoji Chadir Terwa, Kain Shupaina Kazang and Suki adjective ki class Nanglola, adjective let sick to Korang and Suki Kitsik Relanilla Yorua, the Gensi Nansuki Dilla adverb la Wodun Kari or Shupaina, Legachik Cheo Chimbaina. Chikande chinichire, kadu chire, chidanji la tishege chorwa, tila gain ta yo roshin and Zugidilla, Kitsik Nika Lapso Rojita, Kisi adjective the Kitsi Impina the Genzi Chadi Yodoji main road or Pigana, some notana yet in the Rojla water, Yimpa Yinia, Tisha Koran Lata or Dojim by Natating Kodun Kora Pasha or Dojim by Nadra, adverb like the Karlana, a word or a set of verb. Tiki toba dojim by nere, tick chicken by nere, that digi kari adverb ki kari tishe gi it modifies verb, adjective or other adverbs. Di tick digi kari chigorlana, chazik chigla tishe gaya, kezik chigla tishe gaya. And yang adverb shimba chikoran la tishe gaya, penecha shawarajina. I eat lana, masagi rwa. Kissing igi, tanya the tisha rwa. I eat slowly. Tikala wore nga sagyo khande sagyo bashtungi dwa khande sagor la origina slowly khale chini tadi slowly la khade chini la de khari deshi geso sawa de la deshi geso ara khande chigyo badile gen da gyo dochi swa tadi slowly la de nga khari chadiyor la na adverb chadiyor adverb ki thunda ro de chadiyor tarwa tadel example khashes chishare dige jil henge so isina ro thangbo he runs fast ko khandi yure thamunya he runs lana ko duksha lingere la ro yin paina he runs fast lana ko duksha lena ji gal de shi geswa duksha khandi lingere topo duksha lingere la jo ro fast is an adverb there while modifies a verb rough de la fast la the adverb chadiores kajana digi khari la modify cheso khari chikhepa to yo roches lana run la the verb chajik the condition ni chain balashne swara disha nipa khari la do he drinks very hot coffee kogi khari tungure la origin thangbo kogi hot coffee tungures sikja chau ta sikja chau de ang khande rojo la origin very hot the very la digi Nanzugi hot lad in a dish swara, hot the adjective chadirwa, kitzirwa, the kitzik the kandiroji lana, bet how laddy. Chaswara Suba, we walked really slowly. Nanzugi karichi, komba, tambo, we walked in Nanzu komba jains. We walked really slowly, la origina, komba can't get a pet, teuchini jari ledger, slowly ladige, then you komba can't get bashtungi dwara, dige fast, very. Slowly ladiging on Zukaritung your origin, digela adverb leguris. Kajana kunju gita da chazik shemba yana adjective shemba like Tishigatua, Ticha diorta. Tanganjugi, Telachixina originating new the Jewish in the tambo. In most cases, an adverb is formed by adding ly to an adjective. Mang chewajil career shupa in the adjective adverb in Batangshu, Kanti Hakushupa in Yigit Tamagi Jabrolang de la slowly and ly tiswara, delatada slowly, ly, carefully, easily, probably. Li and li resta li the Kariwala Gabor la origina adjective kizik chigi, slow lana, theolarwa. Careful lana subsab larwa, easy lana lel haularwa, probable lana yung si masi lechora, dikeja de shigora, dike sama ketsik ki gablo la ly jar origina, manzuki adverb gitsik takta chik, mang chewa adverb chidang odi yorta. Slowly, carefully, patiently, impatiently ro dige chine adverb chagi yores ta din anglo la adverb thidang le yor tarwa mangcho ly che buji chana manju ki adverb chagres ni badela khala worle na yigi ki thamala l le warjina penetration careful la yo yigi thamadela l redwa thindi baina l thewa ji gyapni y thi yores carefully leswara diche ta ya yigi ki thamala kisi y ligi yo paina manju ki khandi chi goyre y ligi yo paina thambo y di me pasuni I swere ani I gi thamala ly jare penetration easy le y di me pasuni I shap tini ly shani easily ta manju gi thamala able le rujle barajina able ible dige le wodochi baina khari there khaptu manjugi thangbo e le di me osores ani y chik buji kere ani khari chare probably lani chadang dikho tidang manjugi ly di condition thigo yemele de ngandu shugu thangbo gi tishe do di che ta manjugi adverb of manner ta adverb la yewa che origin khashe sure tarwa thangbo adverb of manner le di nganju khari lagor lana lega chik khande chine che pale di ra how something has been done condition chere le jurwa how le thiwa di dishi ya worta condition chere na condition chere condition ly le mang chewa ligir tarwa that the adverb of manner are usually placed either before the main verb or after the object yangna khare chajik cho gingel le goyores yangna child gijel le goyores penetration de jexing nanda tinsin quickly left the building manju ki quickly left the building la du manju ki left la di verb main verb cha de yorwa digingel thangbo di shadwa keja thangbo di ani khala gore tinsin gi dokpo chine building ni ma thönsungs condition thoin badi gan deshi keswa condition thoin na gyokpo chine ra quickly la di adverb cha de yorwa ta ladang yiwa de khare ngu child ki jela la gor la de ra tenzin left the building quickly tenzin ki khare so gyokpo chine gyokpo building gi chilo la ma thön do so le jorwa keja chikwa chikya labdang manju gi yang na main verb gi ngela la goires yang na child object gi jela la goirle de tidang lo chikpo cha de yorta ta imbaine thunan chikwa ji khari or la origina note that such adverbs as well badly hard fast are always placed after the verb tanganju ki adverb khashes chik khari la or jim baina de da as well badly hard fast dige imbaina nganju ki khatu imbaine yang khari geblo la shagor la so verb ki chachi ki jela shago yoris penetration ta da nganju namgyu khari la so dingela la du sambola chachi ki ngela thigo la swara ine ya chi 1 2 3 4 dige khari la origina chachi ki ngela shana takta dego marta penetration Alice hard worked lana tenzi sorry Alice ki pekale jasu le joro dila hard worked lana digo marta wa nganju ki hard dela do fast le den jo kharchi ore chachi ki jela thigo yoris ani Alice worked hard Alice ki pekale jasu le joro den do jorta and yan samsam kandiorna sometimes a writer puts an adverb of manner at the beginning of the sentence to catch the reader's attention samsam nganjo kandiorna mi phajo tigi thunan chulen chedula ni chu cha thangnya kho shinang sangnya kho rojik she go rojim baina ro adverb di thangsho la shana digreler pena cha shawarajina confidently she entered the room tingzu chembe ga ni me khangwa nan ju sung le jor suddenly the white light crashed la yo to hop the melani lo chemboji zasung la do chorwa thinde do chine adverb of manner kap so khande chere la dila adverb de ngela la na jara chauga ji tengyo resting on adverb of manner cha ta dene adverb of frequency la du sambola how frequent chik khajo chegore la rusta lega chik tangi igilap kyo na how frequent khajo mangbulap kyo la chorwa ani I teach every day always ra odi yang do khajo la de ta these adverbs tells us how often something happens ra chik chungyo paina khajo mangbo chego ore la chorwa dilagi ores ta these adverbs are usually placed before the main verb but after auxiliary verb ra ta di kharol lir la origina helping verb the main verb ki kimala ngaju ki chik dinang la khari yo paine ya ligirel ta chik di khari yo shu paine de la chat khore yo chejang gi dige changma skip chigi indarwa di khari chine re la origina ngaju thangbo chat titana phaju dirang sa shingire ta adverb of frequency capsule la ngaju ki chik ni ta takpa chigi yo ata che chigi me odi ki ma de la ngaju mangbo je ra chamjam chigi yo tis chigi la ru jo ra dige changma chik din jong an de shi ya chogor darwa 당보 칼라도 갓뚜인 바이네 지기나 라 아니 always tak tu le diche Roma always helps her mom with dinner Roma ki nima takpa morangi amla konda khala suela ropa chigires ra khatuine chigi jang ani always ta chik nima sumju nangne chik nima takpa chigi mewa chine ya mang chewa roji chigi yo baina nima shinga yu yana ni sum yu ne mang chewa roji baina usually ra chik nima chonga le mang hingo ro la go yor ta Jaja gupcho story baina usually we usually go out on Fridays nganzo chidang khadi tuguye chilo la sa Friday sa pasang la chidang chilo tuguye le jyor wa diche ta dile tisik nyunga doji baina normally yana generally ditsik dilhengi so me mangbo pheji go khunyu gerwa tenzin normally eats breakfast at 8 a.m. tenzin ki namgyu khare chire breakfast dichuzu gepal sagres takpa sawo marta chamcham chedo yoro chigi gerwa chejang anju ki takpa sage baina always lerwa diche thang anju ki yang thu la ro chuara tip chik di pheju chei baina anju ki yang na often yang na frequently they often go to their parents at weekends khunso kare weekends kapsula ani phama damla os dure la ro chuara odila anju ki often ta gyajang apchu sometimes nima chega kalore nima chonga menjoro sometimes ra takpa sometimes forgets his kids birthdays takpa gi chamjam karchir laurajina kurangi pugu gi kega dige themba je dure lejorra ta next the occasionally la this sambol occasion nan namjun ngu thuje laworwa ta dela thuje lo la tu sambol kalor la na chamcham le tis nyu ka jana thuje nima takpa injoro da chamcham la du sambol la chik nima dawa chik nima chonga sang thuje injoro chmarwa dawa chik na thema chik thuje le origin shurwa dila ngu gi occasionally le ro ta dekhati do I occasionally eat vegetarian food ye gi khare thuje le jo dos chine ani shame karse sagi hela disa bola dadi kalawore kinza jiladang kinza shadora titsik di mangbu sui phiju shirna aratunge khage I occasionally drink ladita chamcham le nyunga ta tungi me yang me bache tungi orderoine takpa tungi me ladang dojikan lagorta ta seldom ra we seldom go on vacation together ta yal nyung imbaina ra yal nyung imbaina ta pheje du me ba dojikan imbaina seldom Ra thine hardly ever yangna rarely chigni orda hardly ever rarely dikhar lana khakpu chini le jong ju pheke na yim baina I hardly go out I rarely go out khakpu chini chilo dugu yele choro dige jadi tenzin hardly ever drinks coffee tenzin gi khare khakpu chini coffee tungure le tu khala gore ta coffee tungi meba de chikpa chigya re ro yim baine never mare to ta let's say dawaching na nima chiran chip tungi yo paina hardly ever right then chige me paina never they never eat junk food kunjogi khare chilogi khala chik sachojo tapde khala do khashe chidwara thinju chesag maris right never dige ngonjogi khare chadewla na adverb of frequency ditsik chikni sum shinga thuk dünge gu nanglola chuchuk chiklaning nyamdo chik thidwara dige adverb of frequency chadiorta ta dijik signanda I always do my homework nga khatu yimba ine ngarang di homework di chigi sta 100% chigorda nipa our company frequently has brunches with potential clients ngajugi chongle khan jiorwa dikhare ta ngajugi phajodi chong nyamdu chesare samsam gi phajo client yorwa ta phajo chongba sheba yo padoji bai yana ngajugi chong dila lega chingi ngajola chero chidala ngi bai na dila client legerwa dige nyamdu la khare frequently ra os khala service khojong the brunches the breakfast the lunch ni domni khala sa juara the dures ani you should always wait for the green light to cross the road chirangi khatu imbai ne kharu chigo yore lamga pha cross chela gel ni duela green light the gugo yores chik nganjo traffic la light jangushli dwara de gugo yores dige nganjo khare cha de na adverb of frequency Next, adverb of place. Ta adverb ki yewa sumba di kharicha de yorlena saja dinga jo kharil la worlena where something happens. Chik chungwa rejina khawala chungre here there la rojora inside outside la preposition do yor darwa. Dige nga jo adverb of place la worda. Penacha shaw rejina de tanda. Come in sholarwa khwa sholare nanglo la sholarwa in. Tenzin looked around, trying to find a familiar face in the crowd. Tenzin looked around. Pata tsuda chesungs. Kawa nanglola crowd. Mimang zomyo di nanglola dongbang washing baru dwe. Ta chidula looked around. Pata tsuda chesus around. Ra sajal tagitwa. Pata tsuda la ne pa tsu di saja charwa. In na nanglo di saja charwa. I am going back to school in a month. Nga tawa chigi nanglobda maranja dways. Ra back. Tenswa. Dige adverb of place chadiorda. Ta manchuki khaledo. Adverb of place that end in where express the idea of location without specifying a specific location or direction. Tanganjuki rwa la igi adverb ki thamala where lejo penetration everywhere, nowhere, somewhere. Tige leparajina such a mix sukar ni chik tungi yo mareler. Ta such a chigla shayuro. Ra anywhere lana khawale himbe ini aler ra everywhere lana such a thangmal aler ra. Ta tige ladu Mixukan ni chik mindua thike lagores where ledile padachina penachashana I couldn't find my cat anywhere. Yeki ngarangi shimidi couldn't find nyegoramasos anywhere khawaji le anye masung dilapdang derta. Ta here and there are common adverbs of place ra ta de here there here lana dela lagor there lana phage dingi adverb of place common thasho ni dres ra ta here the here lana de la gorwa there lana phagi la goris. Okay, penetration you can hang your coat here. Chicharangi to don't your coat de la hang china digres de la karna digres, right? And you can put your shoes there. Ani charangi lam dige phage la shana digres here and there. Let's what dira la gorta. Next, adverb of time. Tuju doengi adverb. Ta dikhari lagore adverb of time tells us when action something has been happening ra khadu khari khandi chungudu lecho ra tujo dishigala adverb of time penachashawrojina in a minute, in an hour, in 30 minutes tujo dongo ra dige changma tomorrow, today tujo doeng ichik digala adverb of time lagyoris penachashana sorry I'll call you in a minute konda ngigi khira kamachik na pha phone tangos I'll do it tomorrow. Sange chegos tomorrow lade. Sa tujosh tengorwa digela adverb of time la worda. Sometimes these adverbs can be put at the beginning of the sentence to give a different emphasis. Ta lengechugi chigale nishu teni geja share dojin baina adverb of place. Adverb di thangbo position digdo angoto nando swara cheza. Later they noticed his absence. Jela kunjuki khochang mewadi tunan chungsus. Jela ledingi la shaswara thuju dingi la tyon shaswa dilagyoris. The adverbs that tells us how often something happens expresses the frequency of an action. They are usually okay di thangi nganjo gidira la word right usually always la the adverb of frequency noun to yodicha ta nganjo gi orders of adverbs in a sentence ta adverb nganjo thangi khadu chigyo pa tujo khadula chige ba saja khwaim ba ani how often frequency dige changma nganju gi jopa china la la goina changma legyo roshine thangbo khare ni pa khare order khandi roju do na thangbo lengi chugi manner la goyre manner la de nganju gi ly legyo chigle swara slowly ra frequently ra patiently la de che tini tujo place de in out around under la yo rosche tini time right today tomorrow morning evening digeche any frequency tini always never usually sometimes occasionally dige labdan de dus chadire penetration data Tenzin behaved Tenzin gi chopa chitensus namgi chitensus ta khande tere strangely at the party yesterday thrice sentence korang chisina thamuni goni jiglo winda Tenzin okay, let's go. Tenzin behaved strangely at the party yesterday. Tenzin khazam party la namgyu chopa khenza ju tensung le jor. Oh, sorry. Koni sup shau dia ulemas. Okay, ta Tenzin behaved ready. Tenzin ki chopa tumba subject plus verb redwa. Ta digi jablo delata. Thangbo de la manner. Karredo strangely. Ra leswa. Tini place saja de kwardo at the party. leswara tini time dikadura yesterday tini khaju how frequent le di baina thengsum thrice leswara adverb order of adverbs in a sentence tidang de dusto chire le chyorwa tiran chadior tata it is uncommon to use 5 adverbs in a row to modify the same word but if a sentence uses 2 or more then it is best to follow the order to avoid sounding unnatural ra ta dige changma nyam do thi wa la do dige changma de she kharil kya or la behave chidang de gan de she ga che chopa de nang de gan la yim pai ne dige changma le go le sa gi jingne dam pe nyung nyung res khisil le ba ro jim pai na to dan de dusran duer ta goni nganju gi revision chinju jik che bai na changma domba do jim bai na thangbo adverb of manner ki kharil ai do how something has happened condition ni chung re la do pena sashana tenzin so Alice sings Alice ki she tangres khande tangre la na beautifully ning jumu chini tangres adverb of place ki nganjo khari lagi or law varjina khawala chung re la jik pena sashana we looked upwards at the fireworks nganjo mesho pataka parde jodo de ya tai le chor khawala de leswa tini adverb of time de khari law or law varjina khatu chik chung re la do penachana they have been dating for 4 years kunyam do lo shin nyam do le chor wa thujo tungi do ani thene adverb of frequency tells us how often adverb of frequency ki khachu yang do chungo re le choro di le yures penachana Peter goes abroad twice a year Peter lo thengmani chiro la dures khachu du do par khachre de la origin konda ta hindi ki ja origin thengmani dogore le chorwa tingan zo khare chhadir shipaina tha dige changma adverb ki korla tharing gi lopchen di do story chhadir lenge so last lenge ani tharing gi nyendong dirang chami tharing gi nyendong lenge chola phen to po thuk do do chungyo ni rewa chigi ye ma phe nyele subscribe na ju na inchik subscribe na ni phero na Instagram to la follow nangi me paina dige nye ki khachang re phagela inche follow na ro na lan shwe ani lenge chogi ding nye gi ngaju thanda course dige lopchen dige se chu me braji nangi dewala shagi lenge chogi dige inche se ro na lan shwe las chimai nyendong lengi zamu kyar di jaya gire wa chigi yo tiba de lengi zamu chabu chini shuru nang ngansi nyam de inji jani shuru nang